Welcome back to Garage Matters. Today we'll be changing out the air filter on this 2017 Toyota 4Runner. We're going to come around to this air box. On this air box, there's 4 of these clips right here. All you gotta do is just pop them down like this. Then you want to come around to the other side, pop this clip off down here. And then over here, there's another clip over here. Just pop it down. Once you have these 4 clips unlocked, all you're going to do is just remove this top piece of this air box right here and pull the filter out. Now on the top side of this air box, there's this charcoal filter right here. It's supposed to be here, so you don't want to take it out. And the reason why is for emission purposes. Now let's take a look at these 2 air filters. This is the one that I put out of the 4Runner. This is the one that I got from the dealer. So this is the new one. This part number is YZZ13. I told them it was for 2017 4Runner, and this is what they gave me. This is what I pulled out. This part number is 38051. So we're gonna go inside and cross-reference these 2 filters real quick to see if they're interchangeable. So it looks like the one that the dealer gave me, YZZ13, also fits the 4Runner, and the one that I had in there, 38051, also fits the 4Runner. Now just looking at these 2 filters, I'm pretty sure the one ending in 38051 is gonna filter better. This one's so much thicker and beefier. And also, it comes with this wool matting on the bottom side that's going to help provide that extra filtration. Now it's time to go on my rant real quick. This one's made in USA. This was made in Japan. My gosh, I always knew Japan always liked to keep the good stuff to themselves. And I guess that explains why when I went into the Toyota dealership, they gave me this one, because this one's made in America. Now this thinner one is the only one they had at the Toyota dealership. And that's okay. I'm going to use this for now since it's a suitable sub. And once it comes time to change it again, I'm going to order the other one. For now, this is going to work. All we got to do is just put it back in, flip the clips back up, and we're done. And remember, join us next time on Garage Matters and hit that like and subscribe button.